Hello again. Welcome to the online education world of Ajmani International School. Today we are going to study chapter 12, Light and Shadow. Our learning objectives for the chapters are classifying objects as luminous and non-luminous, grouping objects into transparent, translucent and opaque, examples and features of each type of objects, formation of shadow, condition of formation of shadow, day and night formation. First, know source of light. Anything that gives light is called source of light. You can see in the picture sun, bulb, torch and candle. They gives us light, so they are source of light. Now, types of objects. First is luminous object. All objects that give out light are called luminous objects. Example, sun, candle, bulb and torch. They give us light, so they are luminous objects. Second, non-luminous objects. Objects that do not give out light are called non-luminous objects. Watch out some examples. Pencil, football, table and book. They are non-luminous objects because they do not give light. Children, moon is also non-luminous object because moon gets its light from the sun. Let's know about properties of light. Children, do you know light travels in a straight line? Light can travel through empty space. Light does not need any medium like air and water. The light from the sun and the stars reaches us directly. Do you know some objects allow light to pass through them while some do not? So, those objects are classified as opaque objects, translucent objects and transparent objects. Let's learn their definition. So, objects that do not allow any light to pass through them are called opaque objects. In picture you can see football is blocking the light of torch. So football is a opaque object. And objects that allow some light to pass through them are called translucent objects like frosted glass, colored plastic bottle and colored balloons. They are translucent objects because they allow little light to pass through them. And objects that allow light to pass through them are called transparent objects. For example, clear water, magnifying glass and clear glass. These objects, they allow all light to pass through them. That's why they are transparent objects. Our next topic is shadow. Definition of shadow is dark shaped formed due to obstruction of light by opaque and translucent objects are known as shadows. Let's know about some of the properties of shadow. Shadow is formed on the opposite sides of the source of light. Opaque objects make dark shadow. Translucent object make faint shadow. Transparent object does not make any shadow. If an object is moved closer to the light source, the shadow gets bigger. If an object is moved further away from the light, the shadow gets smaller. At daytime, we can see our shadow on the ground. This is because we block the light of the sun from falling on the ground. In morning, shadow is long. In the noon, shadow is short. In the evening, shadow is again long. Look at few conditions for the formation of shadows. First is source of light. Second, an opaque object. Third, screen on which shadow is formed. So now our chapter is over. Goodbye and I will meet you again with our new chapter.